and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana and you're watching Ardi and Yogi on YouTube. It is 1:30 p.m. and we're running late for lunch. So today we are going to make butter garlic prawns. This is very easy, very tasty, barely needs any ingredients. All the measurements are listed in the description box down below. So if you want to try this, then subscribe to my channel Ardi and Yogi, follow me on Instagram at Brown Girls Travel Diaries, and let's roll. So these are my clean prawns that I'm going to use to make my butter garlic. So for flavorsome pasta, this is what I do. I'm going to use clean prawn shells, add about half a liter of water, about half teaspoon of salt and about half teaspoon of olive oil. Close the lid and cover it for about 6 minutes and check if the pasta is done. Then strain out the water and we're ready. So the ingredients for our butter garlic prawns is going to be, of course, prawns, fresh prawns, sea prawns and not farm prawns, black pepper that we can easily ground, some butter, lemon, garlic, and if you do have fresh parsley, that would be fabulous. Or you can take some basil. So this is a basil from my garden. For all those of you who are new on my channel, I also make videos on composting, on gardening, and lots of healthy eating and healthy lifestyle videos. So subscribe to that channel right now. So these green, dark green leaves are the leaves that are new because I pruned them already and I made pesto chicken and pesto pasta a million times. But these light green leaves are the old leaves. But they are not bad leaves, they're just old leaves. So I'm going to get rid of some of these light green leaves and I'm going to use it as a garnish on our butter garlic prawn. So let's see how our pasta is doing. It's 7 minutes, guys. I've turned the flame down. And let me try. Ooh, hot. It's perfect. Not too chewy, not undercooked, not overcooked. For me, it's perfect. So I'm just gonna strain the water, get rid of the shells, and our pasta is ready to roll. Now let's prepare the butter garlic sauce. I'm gonna heat the pan at a low flame and then add in some olive oil, and straight away I'm gonna throw in some butter as well. Butter and olive oil, they tend to burn fast, so we have to act immediately and throw in some garlic. Now let the garlic sit there for about 2 minutes whilst you simmer it thoroughly. So the thing about olive oil is that if heated at a high or a medium flame, then it will start to lose all of its nutritional properties. Hence why we're gonna slow cook all these 3 ingredients until we smell the divine flavors of the 3 ingredients coming together. Now it's time to add prawns, but for this we need to increase the flame to medium and then add our prawns. Let them sit there for about a minute until they turn pink, and then we're gonna flip them. Prawns usually take less than 2 minutes to be fully cooked, and the best way to know that they're cooked is when they turn pink. So if you've been with me before or if you're new to the channel, just let me update to you that I have been moving houses, so everything is a mess. Which is why this pan where I'm doing my butter garlic is really small for all of my prawns. But in a general scenario, I would use a big container kind of thingy and then I would do my butter garlic because it's way more faster and it's easier. So our prawns have turned pink and the oil is floating on top, which means that the sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna throw in some salt to taste, and lots of freshly ground black pepper. In goes our freshly cut basil from my garden, but you can also use parsley or coriander instead. And now I'm just going to squeeze some lime for some added flavor. Remember, we are throwing in all of these ingredients after the prawns was fully cooked and out of the flame. Now mix it in thoroughly so all the flavors come together, and that's it. This looks ready, so now it's time to try our butter garlic prawns. Yum! So it could do with a bit more butter, but I already added about 3 tablespoons and that's a lot for me. But if you like it all nice and saucy and buttery, then of course by all means you can go up to about 5 tablespoons of butter. This is amazing. The last thing we need to do is to add our boiled pasta to our butter garlic sauce, and we're ready! Yum! So, before you go, let me tell you that I make loads and loads of videos on gardening, on healthy living, and very soon I'll start vlogging too. I'm very active on Instagram, so follow me at Bangles Travel Diaries. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these videos. What kind of recipes do you prefer? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel.